Welcome back to another Explainer. Today we're unpacking a highly unique open source tool called Zulip, and specifically how its threading model can completely cure your team's chat fatigue. Look, if your digital workspace feels less like a productive office and more like a crowded room where everyone is just shouting at once, you are definitely in the right place.
So let's talk about this universal nightmare. Anyone who has ever tried to track multiple simultaneous conversations in a single, fast-moving Slack channel knows exactly how chaotic team chat can get, right? This lack of structure genuinely hurts productivity. It drastically increases the amount of missed information for fast-moving teams. You just end up scrolling endlessly, desperately trying to find one critical link or a decision that got buried under entirely unrelated chatter.
To figure out how we actually fix this, we'll follow a quick agenda today. We'll cover the chat chaos problem, Zulip's topic-based solution, its key features and ecosystem, comparing the costs, managing the migration, and our final verdict. Let's jump right in.
Starting with Section 1, the chat chaos problem, and the limits of flat communication.
Okay, so traditional tools use a flat channel structure. Think of it like a single giant bucket, where multiple topics just blend into a confusing, fast-flowing stream. In tools like Slack, Rocket Chat, or Mattermost, conversations are organized purely by that broader channel. The problem is, within a busy channel, everything just meshes together into a wall of text. Zulip fundamentally changes this baseline by creating a highly structured two-level hierarchy.
Which brings us to Section 2, Zulip's topic-based solution, a totally new paradigm for team chat.
The absolute game changer here is topic-based threading. Unlike Slack's optional threaded replies, which, let's be honest, are usually just a desperate attempt to clean up a channel after it's already a mess, Zulip actually mandates this structured organization from the start. Every single message within a channel has to belong to a specific, labeled topic. It brings immediate order to the chaos right out of the gate.
And this isn't some brand new, untested experiment that might crash on you tomorrow. Zulip has actually been in active development since 2012, released under the open source Apache 2.0 license. This open source approach has gained massive traction over the last decade. It's become an absolute favorite for technical communities and massive open source projects, specifically because of how flawlessly it handles high-volume, multi-topic conversations.
Let's ground this with a real-world scenario from our source material. Picture a 20-person technical support team. Previously, they struggled to follow simultaneous customer issues bouncing around one busy channel. With Zulip, a customer issue pops up and is immediately placed in its own specific topic within the support channel. Once it's resolved, team members simply mark that specific topic as read. There's literally no more endless scrolling through mixed channel history just to figure out who solved what. It's incredibly clean.
Moving on to Section 3, Key Features and Ecosystem, built for technical precision.
Beyond just the basic communication, Zulip is packed with tools tailored for serious precision. Because everything is categorized, unread message tracking is topic-aware. That means you can catch up only on the specific threads you actually care about. The structured search is incredibly powerful for that exact same reason. Plus, you get built-in voice and video calling for quick syncs and extensive rich text formatting. If you're on a technical or academic team, you will absolutely love the native support for code blocks and LaTeX.
Now, while the third-party marketplace is definitely smaller than Slack's massive app store, it perfectly handles your core technical requirements. We're talking direct integrations with GitHub, GitLab, and Jenkins, which impressively push notifications into specific, relevant topic threads rather than just dumping them into a generic channel feed. You can extend it via a REST API, webhooks, and Zapier, and it offers great role-based permissions. But here is a critical warning from the sources. Because so much valuable, beautifully organized institutional knowledge accumulates here, regular backups aren't just recommended, they are absolutely essential.
So how do you actually run this thing? Well, if you want to keep all your communication entirely on your own infrastructure for maximum data governance, you can self-host. That'll require a server supporting Python and PostgreSQL, though the official Docker Compose deployments really simplify that setup process. On the flip side, if you want to skip server admin work entirely, you can simply opt for the managed Zulip cloud tiers, which seamlessly include both free and paid options.
Let's talk numbers in Section 4, comparing the costs and the economics of open source.
The financial contrast here is honestly staggering. Paid alternatives like Slack can charge anywhere from $7 to $15 per user per month just to access your own message history. For a 20-person team on a Business Plus tier, you're looking at roughly $300 a month. Contrast that with self-hosting Zulip, which has zero licensing costs.
You literally only pay for the underlying server, typically around $30 to $50. Or if you fit the usage limits, the Zulip Cloud free tier drops that cost to absolutely zero.
To put that into perspective, that translates to an annual savings of roughly $3,000 for our 20-person support team example. For small to medium enterprises, redirecting that capital while actually improving how your team communicates, that is a massive organizational win.
But how do we actually get there? Section 5. Managing the migration and embracing the learning curve.
Look, we have to be completely honest here. There is a genuine behavioral learning curve. Teams are so heavily accustomed to flat channels. You'll start by exporting your Slack workspace using their official migration tools. But here is the catch. Because the structures don't automatically map one-to-one, you have to actively reorganize those old channels into Zulip's topic structure. Most teams need a parallel transition period where they run both platforms simultaneously. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks to fully complete the migration and really adjust those daily habits.
To avoid instant pushback from your team, our source material highlights some critical mistakes you need to avoid. First, run a training session up front to explain this whole topic-based paradigm shift before rolling it out. Second, set strict naming conventions. If you don't, you'll totally undermine the very organizational benefit you're trying to achieve. Third, start this experiment in your busiest, most conversation-heavy channel first, because that's where the threading benefit becomes immediately obvious. And finally, double-check your specific tool requirements. Do not just assume a one-to-one integration parity with your old system.
All right, bringing it all together with Section 6, the final verdict. Is structured chat actually right for you?
So what's the final verdict? In terms of setup, it requires standard technical familiarity, pretty similar to any other self-hosted tool. But when you look at the value, the long-term organizational return on investment for teams struggling with information overload is completely unmatched by flatter tools. And as for scalability, it is deeply proven by massive open-source projects handling extreme message volumes every single day. Ultimately, if your chat channels are chaotic, overlapping messes, Zulip addresses that specific pain point better than anything else on the market.
If you found this structural breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe to Uplatz. Our next explainer is going to cover how to jump into secure video calls with absolute zero friction using another fantastic open source tool called Jitsi Meet.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought today. When you look at the sheer amount of time your team loses just searching through endless channel scrolls, is the comfort of your current familiar chat tool really worth all that daily clutter? Thanks so much for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next explainer.